Hello everyone, Dr. Nikita Singhal. Today I am going to start organometallic compounds in organic synthesis. In this presentation, I will cover introduction of organometallic compounds, carbonylation reaction, what are the organozirconium complexes and their applications for synthesis of different functional moieties. Organometallic compounds are those compounds which contain metal carbon bond. So, in organometallic chemistry, we do the study of the organometallic compounds, their structure, their synthesis, how they react. We all just study about the organometallic compounds. For example, organolithiums, Grignard reagents, that is alkyl magnesium halides, comes in this category, except that metal carbonyls are also studied in organometallic chemistry, though their metal is attached with inorganic carbon. Here we can take some examples like tertiary butyl lithium is an organometallic compound. This is a Zc salt which is a first alkene compound found with platinum salt, except that iron pentacarbonyl is also a metal carbonyl which is studied in organometallic chemistry. This is a metallocene compound there where the iron is centered between the two cyclopentadienyl rings. This is a half sandwich compound where the cobalt is present between the cyclopentadienyl and two carbonyls. So this is a cyclopentadienyl cobalt dicarbonyl compound. Usually organometallic compounds are used as a homogeneous catalyst. Now coming to the carbonylation reaction, these reaction, as terms say, carbonylation means insertion of carbon monoxide. So it has a wide variety of application in inorganic as well as organic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, formation of metal carbonyls is very important, which requires metal and carbon monoxide. Like iron can directly react with the carbon monoxide to give the iron pentacarbonyl, or nickel can directly react with the carbon monoxide to give the nickel tetracarbonyl. These metal carbonyls further react as a precursor to prepare different metal carbonyl or different organometallic complexes. For example, we can substitute any one carbon monoxide here or here and can replace with other ligands to give the different metal carbonyl complexes, or these metal carbonyls can be reduced with different reducing agent like sodium amalgam, and they can give the different organometallic complexes which are very useful to synthesize different things. In organic chemistry especially, we can produce different organic carbonyls. Organic carbonyls are those compounds which contain this C double bond O groups in their structure. So we can do the hydroformylation reaction, decarbonylation reaction, hydrocarboxylation reaction, and so on. In the hydroformylation reaction, formyl group is CHO group. So hydroformylation reaction, we add H and CHO groups to the alkene. In decarbonylation reaction, usually aldehydes are converted into alkanes, and in hydrocarboxylation reaction is used to prepare the acids or esters. Now coming to the zirconium complexes. Organozirconium complexes are those complexes which contain a carbon zirconium chemical bond. So these are known as organozirconium complexes. For example, we can say zirconocene dichloride. This is a bent molecule. It is not completely sandwich compound because these two cyclopentadienyl rings are not parallel with each other. These complexes can be prepared with the salt metathesis reaction. In salt metathesis reaction, alkali metal reacts with the other metal salt and can exchange their ions. So here zirconium chlorides react with the any alkali metal cyclopentadienide and can form the zirconocene dichloride. Or here we can also take zirconium chloride THF complex which reacts with the sodium cyclopentadienide and gives the zirconocene dichloride. This is a organozirconium complex. Further, this zirconocene dichloride can react with the lithium aluminium hydride as it is a reducing agent. It will provide the hydrogen to this complex and it will convert into zirconocene hydrochloride, which is known as Schwarz reagent. Now we'll see for the reaction of these complexes for carbonylation reaction. Zirconocene dichloride can react with the any alkyl metal complex and forms a alkyl zirconocene chloride complex. This alkyl zirconocene chloride complex will react with the carbon monoxide and will form the acyl zirconium complex. This is a very stable complex, and in the different reaction condition it can produce the aldehyde, acid halide or esters. If acyl zirconium complex is treated with the dilute HCl, it will break this bond and will get the aldehyde molecule, or if further treated with the NBS, then it will provide the bromine to this molecule. So we'll get the acid halide. So CO insertion is an important step in alkyl zirconium complexes, which inserts the carbon monoxide between the carbon and zirconium bonds, and we'll get the acyl zirconium complexes. So these complexes are obtained with retention in configuration. Here we are taking examples of hexene. We can take any hexene, 1 hexene, 2 hexene or 3 hexene. Any type of alkene can be taken and can be treated with the Schwarz reagent. So they will produce the primary alkyl zirconocene chloride complexes. Either we take 1 hexene, either we take 2 hexene or 3 hexene, we'll get the primary alkyl zirconocene chloride because it is stable. And carbon on insertion of the carbon monoxide, it will give the acyl zirconium complex. This acyl zirconium complex can be further treated with the different condition. Like here we can treat with the HCl, then it will break this bond and provides the aldehyde. So we'll get the heptanyl molecule. Or if we'll treat with the bromination followed by the alcohol, so we'll get the ester molecule. So we'll get the methyl heptanoate. Or we are treating with the hydrogen peroxide molecule, then it will be oxidized and we'll get the heptanoic acid. So we can say in different conditions we can convert olefin into different compounds with the help of zirconium complexes. Now we'll come to the hydroformylation reaction. As hydroformylation is the addition of H and CHO group. Now here we are taking example as cyclohexene, which reacts with the zirconocene hydrochloride molecule, that is the Schwarz reagent. So here this hydrogen will attach here and this zirconium zirconocene chloride will attach here. So after this alkyl zirconium complex is obtained, this was treated with the carbon monoxide. So we'll get the acyl zirconium complex, where in this between carbon and zirconium, CO will get insert. So after this we treat it, hydrolysis will done with the presence of dilute HCl or any other reagent, then we'll get the formyl group here. So we have added the hydrogen, here we have added the CHO group. So this is known as hydroformylation reaction. For other example, we have taken the conjugated diene like 1,3-butadiene, which is substituted with the methyl group, and on treating with the zirconocene hydrochloride, this will also give the primary alkyl zirconocene chloride. On further treatment with the carbon monoxide, we will get the acyl zirconium complexes, and on followed treatment by the hydrolysis, we will get the hydroformylation product, that is aldehyde. So here we have taken one more example where the phenylacetylene molecule reacts with the Schwarz reagent. So here hydrozirconation takes place in this reaction step, and hydrogen and zirconocene chloride acts on the alkyne molecule in a syn manner. So we'll get the alkene-like complex, alkenyl zirconocene chloride complex, and this reacts with the carbon monoxide at room temperature. So here the carbon monoxide will get inserted between the carbon and zirconium bond. So we'll get the acyl zirconocene chloride complex. This can further treated with the iodine, that is diphenyliodonium tetrafluoroborate reagent in presence of palladium based catalyst. So it will give a coupled product where this zirconocene chloride will replace with the phenyl group because it is the phenyl donor group. So we'll get a coupled product here. So zirconium complexes are very useful in organometallic chemistry. They can they can be useful in different applications, but here we have focused the carbonylation reaction. They can insert the carbon monoxide between the carbon and zirconium complexes, and further treatment with different conditions they can provide acid, esters, acid halides, and so on. So these are very important for producing natural products also. And these for the in the organometallic chemistry, zirconium organometallic chemistry has also won a Nobel Prize by the scientist Negishi. So we will conclude this organozirconium complexes are very useful for synthesizing of different molecules, which are very useful for natural products, or different biotic drugs and anti-cancer drugs can be produced by the help of organozirconium complexes. Thank you.